Welcome back. Today I'm going to demo how I generate blockouts for Farming Simulator 25. First up, we'll pick a location to generate. With a little farmland over here. Coordinates. And we'll start maps 4FS to generate. Okay, after finishing up, it will open the map folder. It will open the mod description file. We'll get it later. We'll open up the editor, the new map. First thing we're going to do is going to have a look at the field setup. Let's click this and disable it. Glitches. Okay. Add our for our acre masks, so we don't have a single farm. Great game. Add some, painting them in. Add a little more. Okay, that should be enough. Some kind of ID. We'll see that. Once it's saved, we'll start. Sure to correctly. Apparently, we'll use the second editor. It's the same map, copied in a different folder. Okay, back. We're gonna go to Windows Serial Placement. Rule. The thing is enable the stickers to generate mask. Acres file, press apply and press play. Checks. Let that one. Now we can swap over to our second editor. Opened up. We'll go to map folder and there should be an object called splines. If we import that, it should have most of our roads. In row. Side roads. main road. These are going side roads. Maybe here. I think third paths we here. These lines are oh remove them. This is also the third path. Okay. Another field road. Not this one, yes. This one. Okay. Now we have splines for our main and our side roads. We go to procedural placements, rules, disable everything. Our first road rule, select our main road splines. Add them as selected and it will generate a mask with 10 width. Press apply. Go to our side road, select our side road splines. Add them over here, it will create the width on X. Now I forgot to click that. Otherwise the rules are not going to run. Once that, I'm gonna go over here, select these two splines, export selection, be anymore we're in rush for. We'll call this road splines. That over here object, it will generate our masks. Our other editor is still running, but that doesn't matter that much, because if we go over here, data masks, actually already generated whatever we needed. The acres cut out a little bit more, only fill in inner parts. We'll open up this tool I have locally, paste in our mask file over here, and when we go to outputs, we'll clear this for now. We can run our Python tool, and it has generate these files. Mask, use the fields one, I don't care about the splines now. To our map and also paste this one over here. Those are fields. Let's see the running. We can also go second folder, because it just finished creating road splines. So now we should have a mask for our roads, and for our side roads we can copy those, bring them over to our main folder, and we're going to place the real one, replace the real one. This one's once that edit also has finished. We exported our splines, so that's it. Version, we can close it, we don't need to save anything. We can come back over here. This one has finished generating the first version of terrain. That's great. Over here, let's delete the save acres rule. No, let's disable it. Apply. We'll save this for now. What? but then we can exit the editor. We can replace our road mask files, so we have them already. That's saved. Now here in our real folder, roads and side roads, let's delete those. Them that are generated splines. Okay, those setup don't need to do field data anymore. We can read our map. It's opened up, drag in our fields. We'll go to gameplay, delete fields. No, we don't need to delete them. We can just take these guys and copy them over here. Let's delete that though. Go over to our field toolkit, toggle debug rendering, and we should see our fields. Let's fix the position a little bit. Select all our fields. We can bring them up. Text closer to fields. This looks more like it. Okay, we'll have a quick rundown of all the fields, because as you can see over here, the generator tends to generate twice the fields. I haven't solved that yet. But usually it's the same field with a little bit of different shape, and remove for the other. This is the last one. So duplicates. The matching isn't exact. For example, over here it will be too big, but I'm not going to worry about it too much, I think. No. Try it like this for now. Let's select align terrain, paint fields, rename all our fields to be correct, rename polygon point clean. Okay, you can validate everything works. Great, so now we have fields. Maybe I think that was okay. And save our map. And we'll import the road splines we created earlier. Done. Okay, we don't need them visible. I'll forget. Let's hide them. Go to our road tools. Let's start with our side roads. This to 4. Generate our side roads. Then go to our main roads. Those can be bigger. Read those. Close this up. Lower this a little bit. They will overlap better over here. Okay, so now the roads generated. Let's pick out a location over here. Add some buildings. flattening out the landscape will probably help. Any water we have to take care of. A little bit of decoration thing. That's a bit much. Let's see some lights in our city with some fields. Rerun because the roads aren't yet. Save roads. So they haven't been generated yet, so fix that. And if we're going to generate a 30, it is. That's fine. Let's save it. Let's editor restart one more time. Map file. Oh, procedural rules. Those are deselected. As are safe, so that's perfect. By saving. Okay, and press objects, and it should generate everything for us. Okay, once that is going, we'll go over here in our mod description. Call this Rush for Belgium. We'll save this, close this, we don't. Now, when we go back to our map, what we also need to fix is the overview image. Open it up, GIMP. No. Generate the satellite. So the preview image. We don't need the map maps. We'll generate new ones. Let's drop this in here. Okay, that's perfect. Backdrop layer. Perfect, right? Doesn't even really matter, I think, because it's the FOA. But it will. Before cancel, merge everything together to be sure thing gets used with the bitmaps. B1 and let new go. Finished. The editor is still running over here, but now when we go in our map, we should have our new check with. Great. Now we're waiting the editor to finish generating. And check. Hopefully we have some forest. I don't know what I picked farms. Okay, and it's finishing up. Back. Okay, now the roads should look a lot better because the mask is actually based on the splines. Now the splines are the generated splines, still are a bit dodgy and you should actually repaint them, but for the demo I'm not going to do that. Now we have some fields, we have our houses, we have some of this. We'll need to fix it. And the buildings obviously don't get cleared of foliage. Let's see if we can do that manually. Range. Foliage, I guess. Move. Replace. Okay, could add some more detail, but for now, and just kind of works. Take our career starting points. Place it over here. Just let's save the map. One big giant. Okay. We want now another 10 minutes. Okay, that should be saved. We updated the thing. See how this looks in game. Start a new game. We have our map brush for Belgium. To the intro tour. Maybe power tools. Can fly around. Maybe if we switch over to our map view, generate it as if this is the center. Where the fuck? but we'll see. Oh, we have some farmlands. Didn't we do them correctly? Thought we did. Oh no, it probably works. It just has two little fields. We'll see. No, these aren't working. Let's put that out first. I already did that. Look. Sphere. That's correct. Aha, this one, the not going to be great. Let's look at another one that we leave that one duration. It does. And we only need about 6 fields. Save this. Start our game. And hopefully the farmlands do get loaded again. Have to the whole game. Okay. Nope, farmland still not working. We'll get back to that later on. But for now, I forgot to have slides again. But other than that, this would be our generated map based on the real world location. If I look over there, maybe we can activate this. Where actually are we? This is the city, we are at this crossing point. Roads can be a bit dodgy. Let's go here. But we're actually at this point where the two roads collide. One goes way over there, and this is the other route. Next to the church, probably one of those buildings. And that's the rest of the city. A quick look at how a forest would look. It's kind of silly with the straight lines, but even from close up, foliage should all cover that up. And we have boundaries even between terrain. Light mode is growing up. This is what it looks like. Some grasslands. all from the procedural generation template. Too bad our fields in it. Go over again, over them again. That's it. That's how I generate block templates.